Hi! The purpose of this video is to show you how to multiply complex numbers. For our problem, we have the quantity negative 5 minus 3i times the quantity negative 2 plus 5i. Okay, so our first step is going to be to multiply both of these terms right here. So we're going to use that using the FOIL method. So negative 5 times negative 2 is positive 10. Negative 5 times positive 5i is negative 25i. Negative 3i times negative 2 is positive 6i. And negative 3i times positive 5i is negative 15i squared. Okay, so our next step is going to be to combine like terms, and we see that with the negative 25i and the positive 6i. So we'll combine that, which is negative 19i. And we bring this back down. And now we know that I squared is really just equal to negative 1, so we're going to multiply negative 15 and negative 1. So now you have 10 minus 19i plus 15. And now we're going to want to combine these like terms. So now we have 25 minus 19i. Okay, so our problem is all done. We can't simplify this anymore. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you.